Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert SD card in Insta360 X3. So to do this, look on the left side of your camera, this thing right here. You'll be able to open the slot with the battery. So use these two buttons like this, take out the battery, and right here you should see the SD card slot. Take the SD card and it should be placed this way, like the picture right here says. Then simply put it in place with a bit of the force, and right here we just inserted the SD card. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.